So good day guys and welcome back to the channel guys. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also guys make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now before we go ahead to take a look at what market will be doing for the day, right, we need to understand our trend. The first rule of trading when you want to trade is know your trend. The second rule of trading is trade with the trend. So what can we say our trend is on our EURJPY? Me looking at this, you can very much visibly see that this is an uptrend move, right? So this is an uptrend move because the market is actually trending to the upside. Market has been giving us a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Now, guys, take a look at this movement. Market did give us a multiple rejection zone right here, right? Then it eventually pushed up. Market was able to drop again to form a pullback, which is an higher low. Market then pushed up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low right here. So this is the higher low. Market has tapped this level, which push up right. Market then eventually came back to retest the same level. And now with such a moment, we should be expecting market to push up to completely take out this neckline, thereby forming a new higher high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our EURJPY. So this is to tell you that to those that are yet to go in for the buy, you can still go in for the buy. Now, guys, zoom it down. If you have to go down to your forward time frame, this is a key level. You can see that market was rejected. I reacted from this level. Then when markets rallied up, it came back to retest the same level again. Market eventually rejected from this level, which made market to push up right. Now market has now come back to retest the same level, and now we'll be expecting market to reject this from this level, thereby pushing up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our EURJPY. So if you are not yet in the buy, look to go in for the buy as markets will still continue to give us that bullish move. More updates on this will be covered for you guys, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any updates. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.